Good evening. What should be subtracted from -3/4 to get 1? इसको करके बताओ क्या आंसर आ रहा है.
9/4.
ओके, देखते हैं. What should be subtracted from -3/4 to get 1? So x will be equal to -3/4 minus 1 equal to 4 LCM -3 -4 equal to -7/4. क्या आंसर है तुम्हारा?
9/4.
है
सर 9/4.
ना, धीरे बोल रहे हो, कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा मुझे. अभी तक तो अच्छा आवाज आ रहा था.
सर 9/4.
हाँ, तो गलत आया ना.
सर
तुमने कैसे किया देखो, और मैंने कैसे किया वो देखो.
सर x को उधर.
Let us give this to Jagrit also.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. To this one, the question is visible now on the whiteboard.
Yes, sir.
What should be subtracted from -3/4 to get 1? Okay. अभिजीत फिर से ट्राई कर लो तब तक एक बार.
Sir done.
ठीक है, वेट करो तब तक. दूसरा क्वेश्चन है तो लिख लो.
Sir, I have also done. Sir, I am getting.
Sir, can you explain me again? Sir, this.
What should be subtracted from? What means x? What should be subtracted from?
Sir?
From means -3/4.
Sir, I got 1/4.
Okay, पता लग जाएगा. To get 1. Now we want to have x. So we will take this whole -x towards right side. And this 1 will come towards left side. -3 will remain as it is, 3/4. Now if 1 comes left side, it will be -1. If x goes right side, it will be x. Now -3/4 -1. 4 is LCM. -3 -4 equal to x, which is equal to -7/4. That's all. समझ में आया जागृत? Any doubt?
Sir, why we are subtracting from 4?
Why we are subtracted from 4?
Yes, sir.
Which one? Last step?
Yes, sir. Sir, I understand. I understood.
Then write it down in your notebook.
Sir, written.
And whenever you are doing the homework, you have to write the question above and followed by the answer that you are solving. Otherwise, I will have to run like monkey here and there to see the question, then answer what you are doing. I don't understand. That takes a lot of time, na?
Sir.
Is this one over? Can I now jump to next question?
Yes, sir.
15th one. What should be subtracted from -2/3 to get -5/6? Now try this one.
Done, sir.
What's the answer?
-9/6.
Abhijit?
Not doing.
Huh?
Sir, can I retry it?
Yes, of
Sir,
course.
sir, -1/6.
-1/6. Okay, let us check. What should be subtracted from -2/3 to get -5/6? X will come here, -2/3 will remain as it is, it will be +5/6. LCM will be 6. 3 2s means -4 plus 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 by 6. How you got minus 1 by 6, Abhijit? Both of you are wrong. फिर से देखो, चेक करो अपना मिस्टेक.
No, sir. 1 by 6
Sir,
वो identify नहीं किया.
हाँ जागृत, एनीथिंग?
sir, it will be minus 4 minus 5.
Minus 4 minus 5. Why?
Yes, sir.
Here this is minus 5 by 6, isn't it? 1 second.
Yes.
This minus 5 by 6 is coming towards left side. So will the sign not change? So
Yes,
it will
sir.
be plus 5 by 6, na? Same rules are
Okay,
applied
sir.
everywhere. Why you are so surprised to see this answer? I don't know. Now this minus x is taken on the right side, so it is plus x. Minus 2 by 3 will remain as it is because its position is not getting changed. Same rules. Why we will write minus 5? Tell me. Any justification for that? क्या डाउट है बताओ.
Sir, अब नहीं है.
Fourteenth one, what should similar type? What should be subtracted from minus 3 by 4 to get 5 by?
Sir, done.
What is the answer?
Sir,
Sir,
1
done.
upon
1 upon
12.
Abhijit.
Sir, same answer.
एक भी आंसर तुम लोग का सही नहीं हो रहा because you are lacking practice. जब भी मैं होमवर्क देता हूँ you are having less time. तुम लोग होमवर्क कर नहीं पा रहे, केवल क्लास करने से कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. You have to practice much more than we are having classes. 1 घंटे की क्लास है, you have to give 5 hours for your own practice. Keep writing this. लिख लिया इसको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I clear this page?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Sir,
हाँ.
sir, if there was a minus 3 upon 4 and minus 5 upon 6, then it will be plus.
This is not multiplication that it will be plus. Minus 2 minus 3 होता है minus 5. Minus 2 into minus 3 will be equal to 6. In multiplication, minus minus will be plus. If we are doing normal addition and subtraction, then minus 2 minus 3 will be minus 5. Number line पे भी किया था इसको हमने. If on the number line you are doing minus 2 minus 3, then minus 2 and 1 2 3 we are going to minus 5. इतना सारा practice तो कर लिया, but you are not learning the concepts. I told you 2 steps down for minus 2 and minus 3 means 3 steps more down. It means you are 5 steps down, so minus 5. ये सब तो बहुत पहले डिस्कस हो चुका है.
Sir, I'm saying that minus 3 upon 4 minus x is equal to 5 upon 6. That.
From where this
If we
minus
put
6 came? Minus 3 by 4 minus 6 क्यों लिखेंगे?
Sir, x का है sir. Minus 3 upon 4
हाँ?
and then minus x.
सबसे पहले ये तो क्लियर है ना, ऐसे लिखेंगे ना.
Yes, sir.
After that, what step you want? Jagrit, tell me.
Sir, that if it would be minus 5 upon 6, then we will
If this
add
is
that.
minus 5 upon 6, then it will come here, it will be plus 5 upon 6.
Yes, sir. I'm asking that.
That only you want to ask?
Yes, sir.
Next question. What should be added to minus 13 by 4 plus minus 3 by 8 to get 1. Try this one.
Sir, I'm not able to do this question.
Yes, anything?
Sir, I can't able to do this question.
You can't do it.
Sir,
इतनी देर के बाद यही बोला. I thought you are sharing about the answer. Minus 13 by 4 plus minus 3 by 8.
Sir, I'm doing.
What,
Sir, I'm doing.
what should be added to get 1? यही है ना?
Sir,
इसको सॉल्व नहीं कर
sir,
सकते.
can,
yes, sir.
Yes sir, अभी तो बोल रहे हो you can't do it.
ब्रैकेट का कैसे हटाऊं मैं?
ट्राई कर रहे हो मैं करूं?
सर कर
हाँ, what's the answer?
29 upon 8.
Here we can write it as minus. Now this will be minus 3 by 8 plus x equal to 1. I don't know if you're having doubt or not. ये plus minus जो है, this is the kind of multiplication, so it will be minus. ठीक है? Now we will take here the LCM, that is 8 only. 4 2s are, so 13 2s are 26 minus 3 minus 1 equal to minus x. You can write like this also. Minus 26 minus 3 minus 29 by 8 minus 1 equal to minus x. 8 LCM. Minus 29 minus 8 equal to minus x. Minus 37 by 8 equal to minus x. Minus cancels. So we will get x equal to 37 by 8. This is wrong.
Yes, sir. Sir, लिख लिया.
Okay. इसको रिवाइज करके प्रैक्टिस खुद से करना, बस देखना नहीं है. ट्राई टू डू इट फर्स्ट योरसेल्फ, देन चेक क्या आंसर था पहले से, व्हाट्स द मिस्टेक, तब पता लगेगा. ठीक है? अदरवाइज एवरीथिंग विल लुक वेरी इजी अनलेस यू प्रैक्टिस. 15th 13th question is over. Then comes what should be added to this 12th one. What should be added to 2 by 9 to get minus 1? Try. Ah, yes?
सर 11 by 9.
11 by 8.
सर 9.
पता नहीं तुम्हारा आवाज क्लियर नहीं आता है. I don't know why. जागृत का तो क्लियर आता है. What should be added to 2 by 9 to get minus 1? X will be equal to minus 1 minus 2 by 9. 9 LCM. Minus 9 minus 2 minus 11 by 9. तुम्हारा गलत हो गया. 11 by 9 था ना तुम्हारा?
सर आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है? माइनस
बहुत कम आती है तुम्हारी आवाज. आधा आता है, आधा नहीं आता. तुम्हारा आंसर में माइनस है कि नहीं?
सर
जागृत, what are you doing?
Sir, done.
Huh?
Yes, sir. Sir,
What's
I
your
was
answer?
doing
Have you
the
done tried it?
Yes, sir. Sir, अभी पूरा नहीं किया. Sir, last part भी था.
Are you getting minus 11 by 9?
No, sir, मैं last part पे था, अभी पूरा नहीं किया.
Okay, ठीक है, इसको लिख लो, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करेंगे. Then full Sunday has gone, तुमने प्रैक्टिस नहीं की उसके बाद कुछ भी? In other subjects, you can write stories even if you not know the answer, but in maths you can't do so. Here you have to practice. So इसमें ज़्यादा time दो, please. Subtract the sum of minus 36 by 11 and 49 by 22 from the sum of 33 by 8 and minus 19 by 4. Try this one. Is there any scope or I should try that?
Sir, doing last.
Do it, sir, do it.
Okay.
Done, sir.
हाँ, क्या आंसर आ गया?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, क्या आंसर है?
Sir, minus 565 by 88.
By 18.
88.
88. Okay, let us check. ये और छोटा नहीं होगा? ठीक है, देखते हैं. Subtract the sum of minus 36 by 11 plus 49 by 22, है ना? इसको subtract करना है. From the sum of 33 by 8 minus 19 by 4, ना? Equal to. Now here LCM will be 8, 33 minus 4 2s are 19 2s are 38, है ना? Minus. Here LCM will be 22. Now यहाँ क्या हो जाएगा? 49 minus 72, 36 का डबल ना, इक्वल टू 33 minus 38 कितना हो गया? minus 5 by 8 minus. Now again there will be minus 72 minus 49 is here, it will be 3 6 23 by 22, so it will be equal to minus 5 by 8 plus 23 by 22 ना, इक्वल टू. यहाँ पे एलसीएम क्या ले सकते हैं? 22 and 8, 22 2s are okay, 80 ले लो. 11 5s are 55 plus 4 4 here 2 1 4 is 8, 92 minus 55, and here it will be 7 में से 5 गया 2, 27 by 88 आ रहा है मेरा. तो
सर मेरा सेम आया.
सेम आया से नहीं होता है, पहले तुमने कुछ नहीं बताया, आंसर आने के बाद बोलने से कोई नहीं मानेगा. ठीक है, सो प्रैक्टिस करो, जितना क्वेश्चन दिया होमवर्क कंप्लीट करो. यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस. बस क्लास करते रहेंगे वो तो एक्टिंग है बस. यू हैव टू इंक्रीज योर स्पीड नाउ. ओके, तो इसको भी लिख लो और बाकी जो होमवर्क है उसको कंप्लीट करो, सो दैट वी कैन स्टार्ट द नेक्स्ट क्लास टुमारो. ठीक है, वी विल एंड अप फॉर टुडे.
ओके सर.